For the shortwave radio that I'm working on, the VCO is here. I needed, of course, an audio amplifier. And I had quite a few of these amplifiers made in the past. But my idea was, well, let me give it a try to make it completely with BD139 and BD140. And then I mean Chinese types. Well, I encountered serious problems even when this circuit is very simple. It's a kind of op-amp like audio amplifier. And the problem is, in my opinion, that the BD109 and the BD140, when they are made in China, their amplification factor is very high. It's in the order of 200, or I even measured 300. And it means that such a simple circuit will act in a different way compared to the situation where we made this in the past with European types, and their amplification factor was in the order of 100. So, this is the schematic finally, after many hours of experiments. It looks the same as my earlier, compared to my earlier schematics of the same audio amp. But there are differences. They are tiny, by the way, but very important. And the issue was, for instance, because the amplification factor, current amplification factor, is so high, you can get, with a smaller input signal to the end transistors, a higher current flowing, and also the voltage drop between the two bases of the transistors was also critical. So I had to change this resistor into 1500 ohms. Normally, in the past, it was always 470 ohms, but I had to get the quiescent current under control, and that quiescent current is also responsible for the proper sound. So there are two differences. This resistor was changed, and also here in the input we have the voltage divider. That voltage divider sets the quiescent current. In fact, the current of the whole amplifier, and that means that it's also critical. So I had to do this, use the 1 mega ohm potentiometer, send in an audio signal, loudspeaker at the output, vary here the 1 mega ohm potentiometer till the sound is pure and the quiescent current is low. So when there is no signal, the quiescent current falls down to approximately 100 milliampere, and that is necessary to keep the sound pure. When the quiescent current is too low, the sound is distorted, and especially on low audio levels. Classical problem, by the way. I encountered it many years ago in another audio amplifier that I made, and it was from an electronics magazine, but it didn't work. Anyway, so these two resistors are critical. You can use here a 470 picofarad capacitor. Sometimes it damps all frequencies above, say, 16 kilohertz. And here is the input. So let's listen to how this will sound. I'm quite satisfied about the sound. Put in the music. Well, it's running. pan over somewhat. And thanks for watching. The transistors need a heatsink.